Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a time when your computer broke down. Breakdown is actually a phrasal verb. We use it whenever any machinery stops functioning.
Yes,
So
yes.
computer broke down means your computer stopped working, right? Don't throw your computer from the table that it broke. Okay, now you should say when it was, past tense. Then what you were doing, like what you were doing when your computer broke down, what you did about it when your computer broke down, what was your reaction, what you did about it, and how you felt about it. Now this cue card is all in past tense.
Yes.
Comfortably use past simple tense. Please, you can now speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Now I would like to tell about my Apple laptop, which I got for making assignments on BA Donors, in BA Donors. That's why I got it. And one day I was working in my Apple laptop, and I don't realize when I fell asleep, and my laptop was fell down. And when I wake up next morning, and I saw and tried to searching here and there, but I didn't found. And when I suddenly see on the floor, and it was there, I am surprised, and I picked it up in hurry, and tried to turn it on, but it was not working. And then I am shocked and worried about it. How would I like to do? And then I consult with my parents, and they give me advice. You go in market, and try to replace the screen. And then I consult with my friend. He gave me a suggestion, and he was there in the market, and he gave me a suggestion. The technician will replace the screen in almost 40,000. It was a huge amount for me. And a few days ago I spent a huge amount for buying it, so I couldn't pay it. And then I gave it my friend, and he helped me in repairing. And one of his friend gave me a discount, and he repaired it.
Okay, all right. 1 minute and 43 seconds, which is fine. Overall, you went well, you spoke smoothly, but there were several grammatical mistakes. Again, the same thing. Instead of using the past, you are using present. Like first you said in my laptop, it should have been on my laptop. Then you said I don't, it should have been I didn't. Then you said laptop was fell. Laptop was fell is wrong. My laptop fell from the table, like that. Then you said didn't found. With did, we never use second form of the verb. It should be didn't find, not didn't found. Then you said I am surprised. It should have been I was surprised. Like you are looking for the laptop on the table, which are athletic guys. So you said I am surprised. It should have been I was surprised. It's a funny scene. Where is my laptop? Oh, down there. Okay. I consulted. Now you talked about your friend, and I'm sure your friend was she, but you
Yeah.
used he for friend, right? That was enough, but that could be covered here. And you said they gave. So most of your mistakes are actually you're using the wrong tense to answer the question. So try to focus that. I advise you to learn present, past, future, and then it's going to be fine. Now let's move on to speaking part 3. What do people use computers for?
What do people use computer for?
Speak louder, please. Yeah.
People use computer for making assignments and other job related work, but some people use it for entertainment. They use social media, Facebook, WhatsApp, and they use computer for contact with others people.
Okay. See, now your answers are better. I advise you not to prepare your answer. Speak naturally. You speak better when you speak at your natural pace. Should students be allowed to use computers at school?
Yes, why not? Students should be allowed for use computer.
To use computer.
To use computer, because there is a lot of work which they have to do, and they have to search data on net internet. And computer is
Yeah, computers should be allowed, or students should be allowed to use computer.
and computer is very beneficial for them.
Okay, what do you think of people who are addicted to computers?
Addicted to computer. Can you explain me?
Sure. What do you think of people who are addicted to computer? They use computer all the time. Every time they are in front of the screen. So what do you think about those people?
Those people which are using
Who? People who, not which.
who are using
People who are using computer for long hours.
who are using computer most of the time, they missed lots of things. They miss their relations, and they miss their previous time for precious time for doing work. That's why they neglect very things.
Okay, they neglect various things and all that. Okay, overall it's just good for a start, but you need to focus your grammatical mistakes, and in part 3 there must be some proper answer. That means content. Okay, the way you spoke at present, I will rate you at 5 band. Okay, but gradually you can improve it, right? Thank you.